Hi people, in this video we are going to cook flour tortillas or baleadas. So follow me to the kitchen to see this recipe. Let's start. The ingredients for this recipe are: first, you need flour. I have a pound here. Then you need baking powder, just a little bit. You need vegetable oil. You need water. And salt. Then you need complements to your liking to fill your tortilla or fill your baleada. For example, it could be cheese or it could be butter or fried beans if you have.
The first thing we will do is put the flour in a bowl or in a container. We add the baking powder. You must add a teaspoon for each pound of flour. You must calculate how much to add depending on the amount of flour you have. Then we must pour the oil. It must be a bit. And finally, we pour the water little by little into our bowl, and we mix until we obtain a consistent dough. After this, we add a little salt. If we feel that our dough is dry, we can pour more water, or on the contrary, if we see that it is too soft, we can add some more flour. We will be kneading this mixture for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. It should be smooth. After we already knead, we must make small balls of dough for our tortillas. Now we are going to let our dough balls rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover them with a blanket to protect them from the flies and for them to ferment well. We are going to light work pan or comal so that it warms up. The time has come to make our tortillas. I will do it in the traditional way, that is, with my hands. Although, you can crush them with a plate if you like. You have to stretch them well, and once this is done, we can put it in our pan. When the tortilla is cooked on one side, we turn so that the other is finished cooking. Once both sides are cooked, we take it out and serve it. You can put the complements that you like the most. In this case, I will use fried beans, cheese, and butter. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to clean the kitchen and wash your hands before eating.
So that was my recipe. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching this video.